Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to return leased items in Farming Simulator. First, open your garage menu, located as the wrench icon on your main screen, to view all owned and leased equipment. Look for the yellow $ symbol next to an item's name, which clearly indicates it is leased and not fully purchased. Make sure to note which specific vehicle or tool you intend to return. This initial check prevents you from accidentally selling something you own outright. After identifying your leased item, your next step is to locate the primary dealership on your farm map. Access the map through your in-game menu, usually represented by a globe icon. Once the map is displayed, search for the prominent shopping cart symbol, typically positioned in a central town area. This symbol marks the precise location of the dealership. Set a clear waypoint to the dealership, making your journey efficient and straightforward. Now, drive the specific leased piece of equipment directly to the dealership you located on your map. It is crucial that you are driving the actual leased item itself, not another vehicle. Remember to detach any attachments or tools that are not part of the leased item you are returning. Once you arrive, carefully maneuver the equipment into the clearly marked return area, often highlighted by a blue or yellow perimeter. Correct placement is essential for the next step. With your leased equipment correctly parked within the designated zone, a menu prompt should automatically appear on your screen. This prompt typically asks if you wish to return the item. If it does not appear, enter the main shop menu by pressing the P key on your keyboard, then navigate to the leased items section. Select the specific item you want to return from the list and confirm the action. A small fee, usually less than $100, might be deducted for transport.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.